Good morning, all of you. Let's move to our questions. We did questions up to 12 number yesterday. A solid sphere of aluminum of diameter 6 centimeter is melted and drawn into a cylindrical wire 2 mm thick. Find the length of wire. So at first, given thing here is spherical aluminum ball or solid sphere of aluminum is given to us, that is melted, and after that what is made? One cylindrical
wire.
wire is made. Think that this one is the aluminum ball, aluminum sphere, and by melting it one wire is made. यो spherical जुन बल छ यसलाई मेल्ट गरेर एउटा वायर बनाएको छ भनेको छ. And diameter of this ball is 6 centimeter. Its diameter, length from center to outer part, surface. You can take the radius from anywhere. जहाँसुकै लिँदा पनि radius उति नै आउँछ. These all are the radii. And now, if it is melted and cylindrical wire is made, wire भनेपछि मसिनो हुने हो, 2 mm thick भनेको छ. यो 6 centimeter छ, 2 mm. 2 part out of 10 part of 1 centimeter. त्यति मसिनो वायर बनायो भनेको छ. Maybe this is the wire. कति लामो छ? We don't know. What is the length of it? We don't know. I am making one figure here. You may observe it on your screen. This is the wire. यस्तो एउटा वायर बन्दैछ जसको thickness 2 mm छ. यसलाई पगालेर. And we have to find out length of this wire. यो वायर को length find out गर्नुपर्ने हो. Okay. The question is clear.
Yes, sir.
This sphere is melted into wire. That means volume of sphere is equal to the volume of wire. जति भोल्युम यो स्फेयर को हुन्छ त्यति नै भोल्युम यो वायर को पनि हुन्छ. That is the most important thing here. So at first find out the volume of sphere by using diameter 6 centimeter, which is given in question. Diameter of the sphere is 6 centimeter. I converted it into mm because thickness of cylindrical wire is also given in mm. And we have formula of volume. Volume is equal to 1 by 6 pi d cube, which gives us 1 by 6, 22 by 7 into 60 cube. Can you calculate its value? 60 cube into 22 divided by 6 7 is 42. 60 cube into 22 divided by 42.
1,13,142.85.
Okay. 1,13,142.85. I have included
71.
And it is in mm cube because diameter we calculated in millimeter. Now after this, sphere is melted and casted into wire. So diameter of wire is 2 mm. Thickness means diameter only. जुन हामीले अघि एउटा cylinder construct गरेका थियौं. We constructed one cylindrical wire here that was thin before. Let me show it once again. यसको thickness भनेकै यसको diameter हो. That we have to remember. Thickness. You know it. यहाँदेखि यहाँसम्मको यो मोटाई. So this is the diameter of wire. And if we need radius, we have to make half of it. यसको आधा बनाउनु पर्ला. Then that will be the radius of it. So for that, we can divide it by 2. If diameter is 2 mm, if it is divided by 2, it becomes radius, and which is equal to 1 mm. If we know the radius of wire, as well as if we know the volume of sphere, equate that volume of sphere with volume of the wire. And for wire, formula of volume is pi r square H, because it is cylindrical in shape. Cylindrical shape मा छ, त्यसैले यसको volume को formula pi r square H हुन्छ. And volume of sphere is 1,13,142.8571. By using these two values, we will get value of H, and that is the length of wire. We have to find out the length of wire, which is symbolized here as H. Height or length of wire, both are same thing. So here I said volume of wire is equal to volume of sphere. You know the reason of it, because sphere is melted into wire. So use the formula of volume of wire, pi r square H is equal to volume of sphere 1,13,142.8571. Now put all values which we know. Pi 22/7, r square 1 square into H is equal to 1,13,142.8571. Now take this 22/7 to right side, and H is equal to 1,13,142.8571 into 7/22.
35,999.99.
35,999.99. So I have written here approximate value 0.99. If we will round off, it will become 36,000 mm. So height or length of wire is 36,000 mm. If we want to convert it into centimeter, we have to divide it by 10. So if we will divide it by 10, what it will become?
3,600.
3,600 centimeter. Again, if we want to convert it into meter, we have to divide it by 100.
36.
36 meter. So the length of wire is 36 meter. This is our required answer. If there is no problem, look at next question. A solid metal sphere of diameter 42 centimeter is immersed into cylindrical drum, partly filled with water. If the diameter of drum is 140 centimeter, by how much will the surface of water in drum be raised? There is one sphere which is immersed in the cylindrical pot with diameter 140 centimeter. Diameter of sphere is 42. यसको 42 मात्रै छ, अनि ड्रम को डायमीटर कति छ त 140 छ. It is a large drum. Type of big drum is there, because 42 and 140. You can compare it yourself. And here it is said that the small sphere is immersed into the water. यो भित्र पानी छ. Already there is water inside it. To think that up to here there is the water. यहाँसम्म पानी छ भन्ने बुझ. And after putting it inside, अब यो बललाई यहाँबाट यो भित्र हाल्यो भने यसको यहाँ water level rise हुने. Of course it will raise up, and you know it. Every solid object displaces the liquid equal to volume of it. You learn it in science.
Yes, law of rotation.
So its height will be increased. अब मानो for example यहाँदेखि increase भएर यहाँ पुग्यो. I have shown arrow here. Figures are not clear, then also try to understand it. ल मानो यति increase भयो, यहाँदेखि यतिसम्म increase भयो. Okay, त्यति increase हुनु भने के हो त? It starts from here. Let me check it here. तल्लो level मा बनाए मैले. This is the previous level. यहाँसम्म यो पहिलाको water level थियो. Now next one, this is the new level of water. And if we will forget about other portions except this, यो भर्खरै बनाएको हामीले portion बाहेक बाँकी portion लाई छोडिदियो भने, let me draw it once again. यो जुन हामीले भर्खरै बनाएको पोर्सन छ, दिस पोर्सन इज सिलिन्ड्रिकल पोर्सन अर नट?
Yes,
जो
sir.
वाटर रेज भएको भन्दा छ नि हामी, this portion is also cylindrical portion, and volume of this portion which is raised here, volume of which is raised here is equal to the volume of sphere. अनि यसको डायमिटर हामीलाई दिएकै छ, डायमिटर अफ द सिलिन्डर इज गिवन टु अस। यो पुरै सिलिन्डरको डायमिटर यहाँदेखि यहाँसम्मको यो लेन्थ दिएको छ, दिस लेन्थ इज गिवन टु अस। From it we can find out the radius, सिलिन्डर को रेडियस फाइन्ड आउट गर्न सकिन्छ। That is the radius of this portion whose height is increased. हाइट इन्क्रिज भएको पोर्सन को रेडियस पनि त्यति नै हो, and we have to find out this increased height. यो increased height यति मात्रै हो फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने। So for that we have to take radius equal to half of the diameter 70 centimeter, 140 centimeter यसको diameter छ भने radius 70 centimeter हुने हो, and after that we have to find out the height of this raised portion by using the formula of volume of cylinder, because water is raised inside the cylindrical drum मा raised भएको हुनाले यस यो पनि cylindrical shape मै raised हुन्छ। Because of that we have to use formula of volume of cylinder for this raised portion. Only story is different than question number 14. Question number 14 the यो गर्ने process दुईटैको same छ। How it is same? Here also we have to find out the in 14 number we calculated the volume of sphere, and then we said that volume of wire is equal to volume of sphere. हो त्यस्तै त्यहाँ के हुन्छ त, at first we have to calculate volume of sphere, and after that volume of raised water is equal to volume of sphere, and volume of raised water भनेकै pi r square h हुन्छ। Again we have to use the same formula and same process, but just the story is different here. In previous one sphere is melted and wire is constructed from it. Now a solid metal sphere is immersed into the water, and here we are calculating the volume of water and its raised portion. So at first diameter of sphere is 42 centimeter, and we have the volume 1/6 pi d cube. Can you calculate it? 1/6 into 22/7 into 42 cube.
38,800.
38,808.
Okay, 38,808 cubic centimeter. After this, sphere is immersed into water. Diameter of cylinder is 140. So the radius is 140 divided by 2. Centimeter is typed twice, sorry for it. And height of water raised, h is equal to what? This we have to find out. And after that use formula volume of water raised is equal to volume of sphere. And you know the formula of volume of water raised pi r square s, and volume of sphere 38,808. Can you calculate the value after it?
Yes, sir.
So do it in your copies. You pi ko value put kara, and then put value of r also, and you will get the value of h easily. 22/7 into next one 70 square into s is equal to 38,808. Let me write h is equal to how much you will get. This will be our final answer.
2.52.
2.52.
Excellent.
Others also calculated. Let's wait for others.
2.52, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. 2.52.
So its final answer is 2.52 centimeters. This is the height of water raised in cylindrical drum. So let's move to trigonometry after this. Up to grade 8 and grade 9, we learned general idea related to trigonometry. That means different ratios in terms of sine, cosine, tangent, cosec, sec, cotangent, त्यो रेशियोहरूको बारेमा पढ्यौं. Here in mathematics of grade 10, we are going to learn about area of triangles as well as area of quadrilaterals by using the trigonometry. जस्तो हामीले अगाडिको च्याप्टर मेन्सुरेसनमा प्लेन सर्फेस भन्ने च्याप्टर छ, त्यहाँ पनि एरिया अफ ट्रायंगल क्वाड्रिलेटरल क्याल्कुलेट गर्छौं. But here we are going to calculate area of triangle or area of quadrilateral by using the trigonometric ratios, by using the angles. As we know that trigonometry is the measurement of angles. यहाँ angle को measurement नभइकन त्यसलाई हामी trigonometry भन्नै सक्दैनौं. It is the geometry where we have to do the measurements of angles of triangle generally. And by the use of measurement of angles of triangle, we can calculate the area of quadrilateral also. Quadrilateral लाई पनि triangle को form मा बदल्न सकिन्छ. If it is quadrilateral, we can convert it into two triangles, isn't it? यहाँबाट divide गरे पनि दुईटा triangle हुन्छ अथवा यहाँबाट divide गरे पनि दुईटा triangle हुन्छ. So we can convert it into two triangles and then we can calculate the area of these. And except these, there is the another thing that is height and distance. यहाँ हामी height and distance को बारेमा पनि पढ्छौं. Height and distance. This type of questions we practiced in grade 8. Grade 8 को trigonometry मा अलिअलि questions हरु थियो, त्यो खाली general concept, basic knowledge को लागि मात्रै थियो, and about those we are going to learn here. And those are included there in optional math also. Optional math में height and distance को questions हरु पढ्छौं. You have started trigonometry or not?
No, sir.
So this is usable for both optional math student र mathematics student. दुईटैले हामी height and distance को question पढ्छौं. A bit difficult questions will be there in optional math, and here are easier questions related to height and distance in compulsory.